Hello there, Tanmay here, and today the topic is that what opportunities do you have in front of you as we are living in this digital world. So we have this digital world inside in our hand. What opportunities do we have? And I'm going to open that portal for you. So please listen carefully in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Point is that we are living in a developing country, so we have lots of opportunities, and people who are learning new things are trying something, putting and experimenting new things, and few things are not working and few things are working. Like this digital world, so much new opportunities are opening every single day. Okay, so now what people are saying that they are late and maybe the market is saturated and all their queries are coming out, and they maybe are insecure about this digital world. So I want to tell you that I am putting content every single day, and I'm doing 2 times effort than what I was doing. So, and that's efforts are giving me so much good returns. It's working. I'm studying this digital world and then telling you. So I know that this digital thing is working, this content creation is working, and that's why I'm yelling at people that start making content. And few people may be thinking that maybe this is too late and maybe I should not try now. Now I want to tell you that if you don't try today, and what will happen after 4 years, everyone will start doing this. Everyone will start running Facebook ads and putting content and all, because everything is going to be digital. So it will be so late after 4 years and after 5 years, and it's very hard for you to grow at that time. So now what you are thinking that everybody is just putting YouTube content, everybody is putting Instagram content, and if they are doing, why should I do? Now I have to give you the example that, listen, what 20 years ago, 25 years ago, what used to happen? The Bollywood creators, the Bollywood movie creators, directors, what they used to do, they used to study the Hollywood movies which are famous in Hollywood, which are going good and awesome movies from Hollywood, and they used to take that idea and they used to put and experiment this idea into Bollywood, and few of them succeed so much that their content, their video, their movies work so better that they're starting doing this continuously. So few of them failed, few of them just succeed awesome. Their movies just rocked. So look, you're here and you're studying this Hollywood movies here, your Bollywood let's say you are new in this Bollywood movie thing. Okay, so Hollywood movies are working awesome. So what you're doing, you're studying this thing, and then you're applying this in your own circle, and it's working fabulous. Why? Because you maybe think that you are a loser in your area, but if you take that idea and put into some different area, then it may work better than you expected. What happens when you are in a digital world? Everyone is just creating content, and you maybe think that you're too late and market is saturated and I'm not gonna win. What is going to happen? You are comparing yourself with these biggies and all people who are awesome, who are already working from 5 years and 10 years. So you cannot win here immediately, but what you have to do, you have to spend time, learn these things, everything, and you have to exactly copy this thing in your own niche. So you will win here because your own niche people don't know about this system, this digital thing, this digital power of internet and all. So you will succeed here. Exactly same that Bollywood director used to do. They used to copy the ideas of Hollywood things. Not exactly, but they used to take the idea and they used to implement that idea in Bollywood, in India. So maybe their thing is, if you take that thing in here, it's maybe they are a loser here, but they are a winner here. What that thing I want to tell you, that you just have to learn this digital thing. It's very simple. You have to just put efforts of 30 hours, 40 hours of learning some things, and then you have to experiment. And if you do this in your own niche, let's say you're a financial manager, and if you learn this digital thing and put that base to your financial things, then your financial business, let's say you're a consultant, then your business will boom, your business will boost, because other financial managers, other financial consultants are not using this, or hardly someone you will find that this using the system, using the power of this digital world. That's why I'm telling you that you have a lot of scope, and I have opened the portal for you. Just start putting content, and if you have no idea about this digital world, then I have created a video marketing course. It's just a 500 rupees course, and I'm guiding you every Friday. I'm going to come live and going to push you to achieve your goals. So just try putting content, and there are free content also available on YouTube, lots of free content available on Instagram and the social media platform. My thinking, my saying is just start putting and start taking action today. Okay, thank you.